The basic move, the basic number one out of 4 basics. Remember, it's 2 feet up. So you're going 1, 2, you're stepping back on 3. Slide over 4, because we're getting back on, right? Get back to our starting point. This is 4, this is 5, we're stepping back, 6, and 7, and 8. We'll do it again. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And with that back move, you'll be able to mirror my move. We want you all to see it from all angles. We ain't missing it. We're just gonna get it. That's our basic. Remember, one more time. We're going 1, 2. Right foot in front of the left foot. Don't give me that back foot on the second move, on the second step. That's not the first move. We'll do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're gonna give you the second move. Front basic. We're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7, 8. And remember, your motion is going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, just like the other videos on the side of you, okay? But we're gonna do it this because we're in class. We're going 1, 2, 3, follow my feet. 4, 5, 6, you ain't gotta do all that marching. 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to the third basic. Third basic. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. From this angle, you're stepping back. You're going 1, 2. You notice I'm stepping back. I'm going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We're doing it again. 1, 2, 3. Follow my feet. 4, 5, 6, 7. Follow my feet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's the fourth one. It's a fake. Okay? Now we're doing it from the stepping angle, from the class angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. You're pivoting on that one, on that left foot coming out. As soon as you come out, you pivot. 2, step back on 3. Smooth. 4, you gotta get back on. Pivot again. 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're pivoting on 1 and 4. We're pivoting out on 4, 4, 5, 6. We're pivoting back. This is it from the other angle. 1, 2, 3. So it makes a whole lot of sense. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're doing this a couple more times because I like the move. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Left, right. Now, we're going to do our 4 basic steps. Okay, so let's go. Basic step, left foot first. We're going 1, 2, 3. Over. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you notice there's a pause. Remember there's a pause? There's another pause. 7, 8. So we pause in 1, 2, 3, pause. 4, 5, 6, pause. 7, 8. Okay, now, second move is the forward basically. It's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Your partner is keeping you in front. That's why it's the front basic. It's your partner's job, whoever's leading, to make sure you stay in these positions. 3, 4, 5, 6. And the beautiful Pat is keeping me on beat. Who's ever following, you're the brain. You're the nucleus, you're the drummer in the band. Your job is to keep the beat. So when that person's leading, acting all silly, doing all kind of crazy stuff, they gotta look at you for the beat. Understand that? Now we're gonna do the last one, Pat. Last one is to the right. Okay? 7, 8. 1, 2, 3. Now notice all other videos, I told you exactly how to do it. So you're going up and back, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. One more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now, it's the last move of the 4 free packages. It's the fake. Okay, let's go back. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Left, right, left. Right, left, right. Remember, the most important part about that fake is that left foot stepping back. Because we're all heading home. One more time. Back.